Down Palmer with Goldstar ATM, and we're gonna show you guys how to access your journals on your GenMega G2500. So you're gonna go to the ATM operator function, enter your password, and then you'll go to ATM OP, and then at this point you'll go to Journal. And then at this point you can see all the journal options. It says you can either print the journal. This will give you your last journal entry, the most recent one, the current transactions, or clear the transaction sequence number, copy the journals to an SD card. You can load the setup from an SD card, so transfer journals from a different ATM to this ATM. You can mark the journals as read or just simply view the journal. And then once you're done with that, go ahead and hit cancel to go back to the main ATM screen. And that's how to access your journals.